So my name is Laura Clay. I am a licensed clinical professional counselor and also a registered art therapist. I specialize in treating depression, anxiety, and trauma, or otherwise known as PTSD. One of my specialties is working with women, anything related to women's issues, being a mother, a wife, an employee. Low self-esteem with women's issues is something that's very common. So strengthening female identity is one of my main focuses. So art therapy sometimes scares people. I've heard so many clients say to me, I'm not creative, I can't do that, I don't have an artistic bone in my body. I've heard that many, many times. And it's really not about painting a Picasso or having something that someone says is good enough to hang in the museum. It's about expressing yourself. And there's that quote that sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words, and it's really true, because sometimes a photo or a picture or a drawing can express something more than a statement or a sentence. And it's really the process of doing the art that is what is therapeutic. And explaining that is difficult because it's almost something you have to experience. So my approach when working with clients is very individual. If you come to see me, we don't have to do art therapy if you don't want to. Some people, we will just use traditional talk therapy. Other clients, I find that working with art is the best fit for them, and that's their interest, and I also find that clinically that would be appropriate for them. Some clients that may want to work on deeper issues, we would use EMDR, which is an acronym for eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. It's another type of therapy that is very good for working with trauma, anxiety, and negative self-beliefs. I also offer workshops at Soul Sana Studio, which is right down the street in Naperville. Some of the workshops include a guided meditation and art. There's also a Pinterest-inspired workshop, which I use different things I find on Pinterest. What I would tell a potential client is that counseling can be scary. Sometimes people don't go to counseling because they think that makes it seem like there's something wrong with them. It doesn't have to be a big problem that you're having. It could be you're confused about something or you need help figuring something out. Going to counseling can help with that, and it doesn't have to be a bad thing. I try not to give advice, but I also want my clients to know that they're not alone and that time does heal. It may not heal at all, but usually when people come to me, the worst part may be just ended or it's just beginning. And I try to give them hope that this is bad, but you're not alone, and I can help you through it, and things will get better.